In this video, we're going to upgrade the 2009 Hyundai Elantra rear brake bulbs from incandescent to LED. Since I am replacing one bulb, I'm going to go ahead and do both bulbs, and I am using the Zevo red LED brake light bulbs. And I'll put a link to these bulbs down below in the description area in case anybody's interested in that. To go ahead and change these bulbs, right on the inside of the trunk, there's going to be a cover here. You're going to see it's got like a little handle. You're just going to pretty much pop this out. And then you got your access to the bulbs in the back. Now, the brake light bulb is this one right here. It looks like a brown/orange kind of color. Turn it counterclockwise, and then it should pop right out of there. And there we go. So you take the bulb out, push it down, and unscrew it. Take your brand new Zevo red LED bulb, push it in there, push down, screw it in, and that's all there is to it. Put it back in. Once it's in, turn it clockwise, lock it in, and you're done. And last but not least, you put your cover back in. Nice like that. And what I like about these bulbs, the LEDs, the light on and off is much quicker. It doesn't lag like the incandescent bulbs do. And technically this bulb, the LEDs, should last as long as the vehicle. One more thing, I actually replaced the LED for the third brake light. You're gonna see this plug right here. So you're gonna turn it, pull that out, and voila. There's the LED bulb for that one. I'll put a link to that too underneath in case you guys are wondering. And that just basically goes back in. And then you just turn it right and it locks in. That's all there is to replacing these bulbs with the Zevo red LED brake light bulbs. What can I say? I'll probably never have to replace these bulbs again. You all take care. God bless you. Got any comments, questions, put them down below. I'll get to them as soon as I can. And see you all later. Bye-bye.